Hey, আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম করছি নতুন একটি টয় ভিডিওতে। ও গাইস, লুক, ফার্স্ট অফ অল I'm gonna show you grenade. Wow guys, these are grenade bomb. Whoa, these are plastic. Wow, these are grenade. Then I have a camera. Wow guys, these are toy camera. These are plastic toy camera. Totally unrealistic guys. Whoa. Then I have a handcuff. Wow guys, these are toy handcuff. Wow guys, look. These are plastic handcuff. Toy plastic handcuff. Yeah. Wow, these are beautiful toy. Wow guys, sword. Wow, look, these are sword. Wow guys, চমৎকার কিন্তু একটি মিনি সাইজের সোয়ার্ড দেখতে পাচ্ছো উইথ 3D লাইটস। ইয়ে কুল, খুবই চমৎকার একটি সোয়ার্ড। দেন আই হ্যাভ এ last a desert eagle toy gun. Wow, look guys, here's a scope. Wow, 3D lights here and laser light. Wow, these are desert eagle toy gun. Wow guys, so beautiful toy gun guys, look. Wow, these are beautiful toy gun. Oh, realistic toy gun guys. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and don't subscribe this channel for more videos. These are desert eagle toy gun. Thanks for watching guys. Till then, take care. See you on the next video. Bye bye.